Question is the Chief Scrum Master is a part of the Scrum core team that assembles to retrospect the project and to identify, document, and internalize the lessons learned. There are various tools to retrospect project during the retrospect project meeting. Which of the following tools can be used in this process? Option A, gap analysis. Option B, SWOT analysis. Option C, proof of concept. Option D, speedboat. Correct answer is option D. Question is the Scrum Master is attending a meeting in which the Scrum team is estimating the effort required to develop the functionality described in each user story. The team wants to adopt an estimation technique through which they will be able to quickly estimate a large number of user stories. Which of the following techniques do you think they should adopt? Option A, planning poker. Option B, wide band Delphi. Option C, affinity estimation. Option D, relative sizing. Correct answer is option C. Question is the Scrum framework being an agile iterative process inherently minimizes risk. Many Scrum practices facilitate effective management of risk. Choose the option that is not a correct pairing of a Scrum characteristic with its role in minimizing risk. Option A, flexibility, business environment related risk. Option B, regular feedback, expectations related risk. Option C, team ownership, estimation related risk. Option D, transparency, investment risk. Correct answer is option D. Question is a large software company has 8 Scrum teams with each team having a Scrum Master. After the daily stand-up every day with their respective teams, all Scrum Masters meet for a Scrum of Scrums. What are they likely to do during this meeting? Option A, discuss ways to resolve technical impediments faced by development teams, especially if 2 or more teams face the same issue. Option B, discuss what each individual development team member has worked on since the last time all Scrum Masters met. Option C, discuss actions of team that could potentially affect another team. Option D, share a status update on the individual team member's task. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is which of the following best defines the team velocity metric used to measure team performance? Option A, team velocity is the total number of hours the team has worked during a sprint. Option B, team velocity is the total number of story points completed in a given sprint. Option C, team velocity is the percentage of story points that have been done versus those committed. Option D, team velocity is the actual time spent on delivering user stories. Correct answer is option B. Question is the product owner on a project on which you are the Scrum Master has identified disaster situations, such as earthquakes and tsunamis, as potential risk to the underwater transitional communication sea link. The stakeholders have suggested that steps to safeguard the foundations of the ocean infrastructure be taken at the earliest, and also have recommended that a contingency reserve be created, which could be used in case of disaster situations. This is an example of option A, risk mitigation, option B, risk prioritization, option C, risk avoidance, option D, risk assessment. Correct answer is option A. Question is a Scrum team wants to conduct a meeting in which they plan to deliberate on ways to improve team collaboration and effectiveness in future. This can be identified as which type of meeting? Option A, sprint planning meeting. Option B, review sprint meeting. Option C, retrospect project meeting. Option D, review project meeting. Correct answer is option E. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.